1.6 Spiritual, Scientific, Organizational, and Social Synergy. To reveal its true multidimensional power, let's dive deep into spiritual, scientific, organizational, and social realms of synergy and trace how the same principle manifests across different levels of existence. 1.6.1 Spiritual Synergy, Unity as a Creative Force. At the deepest spiritual level, synergy is creation itself, the interplay between polarities, light and dark, masculine and feminine, heaven and earth, that gives rise to life. Essence, spiritually, synergy means oneness expressing itself through diversity. In mystical traditions, from the Tao to Kabbalah to Christian Trinitarian theology, creation happens when separate essences interact harmoniously, not when they merge into sameness. It's a dance of opposites, not their destruction. Examples: in Hinduism, Shiva, pure consciousness, and Shakti, energy, movement, unite to produce the manifest universe. In Christian mysticism, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit act in divine synergy. Three distinct persons, one essence. In Taoism, synergy is the Tao flowing through yin and yang, the continuous interplay that sustains cosmic balance. Deep truth, spiritual synergy teaches that separation is illusion. The parts are never really apart. When humans align with that truth through love, compassion, awareness, their relationships and actions become channels for higher creative intelligence. It's when ego dissolves and divine cooperation begins. Where two or more are gathered in my name, there am I in the midst of them. Matthew 18:20. That third presence is synergy. 1.6.2. Scientific synergy, emergence and the whole beyond. Parts. Science describes synergy not as mystical, but as emergent phenomena. Properties that arise when components interact in complex systems. Systems thinking. A single neuron cannot think, but a network of billions becomes consciousness. Two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen create water, a substance with entirely new properties. Ecosystems, ant colonies, galaxies, and brains all exhibit synergy. They self-organize into higher order structures. Synergy in modern science. Neuroscience. Neural synergy allows pattern recognition, creativity, and consciousness. Quantum physics. Entanglement shows that particles can be non-locally connected, a physical form of unity beyond space. Complexity. Science. Small interactions can cause exponential effects. The butterfly effect. Science thus points to the same truth mystics have long declared. The whole is not just greater than, but different from, the sum of its parts. This is synergy as a universal law of growth, order, and evolution. 1.6.3 Organizational synergy, from cooperation to co-creation. In organizations, synergy is what happens when structure and spirit align, when people, resources, and goals combine in ways that amplify performance, creativity, and fulfillment. Levels of organizational synergy. 1. Operational synergy. Departments share resources and streamline processes. Efficiency and cost synergy. 2. Strategic synergy. Different business units or partners align vision and innovation. Competitive advantage. 3. Cultural synergy. A shared purpose and trust-based culture where people's differences are celebrated. True transformation. Example: Apple's success wasn't just from technology, it was the synergy between design, engineering, and user empathy that created magic. Or consider Toyota, whose team synergy, Kaizen, continuous improvement, is the soul of its productivity. The principal synergy in organizations is when ego gives way to ecosystem, when collaboration becomes creation, not competition. It's not my department versus yours, but our system evolving together. 1.6.4 Social synergy, the harmony of human systems. Social synergy occurs when individuals, communities, and nations align their energies toward shared well-being, when diversity turns from a source of division into a source of strength. In society, democracy at its best is synergy, individual voices harmonizing into collective wisdom. Cultural exchange breeds new art, innovation, and empathy. Social movements thrive when different groups unite under a single moral compass: justice, equality, love. Global perspective. In an interconnected world, synergy is no longer optional, it's survival. Climate action, peace, poverty eradication, None can be achieved in isolation. The next evolution of humanity might depend on our ability to achieve planetary synergy, collective consciousness in action. The social law, division, drains energy. Synergy multiplies energy. A synergized world is one where every being's growth contributes to the growth of the whole. 1.6